রাজনৈতিক ময়দান উত্তপ্ত আসন্ন নির্বাচনকে কেন্দ্র করে। তারই মধ্যে বৃহস্পতিবার আগরপাড়ার একটি বেসরকারি শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানে একটি সমাবর্তনের অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হন সস্ত্রীক রাজ্যপাল। এই দিনের এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হয়ে ওই শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানের ছাত্রছাত্রীদের হাতে সার্টিফিকেট এবং মেডেল তুলে দেন তিনি। এদিনের সমাবর্তন অনুষ্ঠান শুরু হওয়ার আগেই এক সৃজনশীল অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করা হয়েছিল। বিভিন্ন রকমের রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীতের মাধ্যমে শুরু হয় এই দিনের এই অনুষ্ঠান। এদিন অনুষ্ঠানে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের হাতে সমাবর্তন পত্র তুলে দিয়ে তিনি ছাত্রছাত্রীদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলেন,
Most respected deans, members of the faculty, members of the staff, everyone associated with GIS University, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media of GIS University. It's a rare moment. I can see the milestone development that is enthusing everyone present here with hope, aspirations, and a peep into the future. On this occasion, inspirational personality who fostered a dream of disseminating quality education to all of us. If I look seriously into his achievements, he fructified what Benjamin Franklin once said, I quote, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest, unquote. He is not with us. His thoughts are with us. The investment which he has made will benefit a great societal cause in the state of West Bengal and in the entire country. Look at the achievement. GIS Group today is home to almost 50,000 students and its alumni, which is always the spinal strength of any educational institution, are engaged with Fortune 100 companies, research foundations, top universities, charitable organizations. This magnanimous journey will always be on incremental trajectory. Benefit the state, the country and the world at large. It is shaping all of us in one way or the other. In a short span of 6 years in a state of West Bengal, where universities have more than century-old track record, the performance is commendable. I hope and pray, and I am confident also, the university will ever be on the path of progress, having known the Chancellor, the new generation to which baton is bound to be handed over, and the Vice Chancellor, the members of the faculty, their deep commitment, their emotive connect. I have no doubt all this will be realized. When education is not perhaps the last, but certainly the best hope for our future. I have no doubt about it. The Honorable Vice Chancellor made reference to what he will translate in times to come. National education policy will be a game changer. It has been evolved consensually by engaging with all the stakeholders. And when I heard his vision, I studied the policy in depth, attended seminars with the Honorable Prime Minister and the President of India, because education is a great equalizer. Everyone knows Nelson Mandela in our country because he took his inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi. What he said, I quote, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, unquote. I am sure there can be no disagreement on this fundamental premise. If we go back thousands of years back, Aristotle and what he said, the roots of education are bitter. No one knows more than my dear students. No one knows. The roots are bitter. You are made to suffer. You have to live up to the work given to you by your teacher. But the fruit is sweet. Overall education is the platform that makes it possible to defeat all barriers.
জি ব্যাপীর রিপোর্ট, বেঙ্গল টিভি।